Hello everyone. Today I will discuss exercise 12.1 question number 5. Here is question number 5. Find the value of m for which m 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Let us solve this one. Here it is given that 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3, 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5. Right? Here we will apply the formula that 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m minus n. 8 to the power m minus n. Therefore we are getting 5 to the power m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5. Therefore we are getting 5 to the power m minus into minus is plus, m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Here you see both the bases are same. Therefore the exponents will also be same. Since the powers are same, since the bases are same, since the bases are same, therefore their powers will also be same. Their powers will also be same. Will also be same. Therefore we can write m plus 3 is equal to 5, or m is equal to 5 minus 3, or m is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, right? Therefore the value of m is equal to 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.